So Jordan,
Hello?
what's happening today? What's going on?
We really don't know. But it's the last day, which is kind of boring.
Yeah, so we might just go have a look around and see some sights, get some pizza.
I think we're gonna get some pizza cheesecake and some peach cobbler. And then we're gonna head home.
Sound like a plan. So yeah, gonna film a little bit maybe, and then
I'm sure David will show you some more cool stuff.
playing footage and stuff. So yeah, footage coming right
Playing
now.
footage.
Bye.
Interesting.
So there's the UN building. It's quite scary for some reason. It's pretty cool. And yeah, we just I think we'll go probably should already walk back the other way now actually.
Well, what's around here? Anything else?
So I think so. It looks like it's all locked down, isn't it? We just walked past former Prime Minister of Australia, Julia Gillard.
Yes, it is.
So that was pretty interesting. So yeah, well, we split up from Jordan and James because they had to post something, so we're going to meet them back at the hotel at 4. So we'll film it then. Goodbye. So Jordan, where are we now? This could be the very last video we've had. There's a plane up there. The end of the holiday.
Yeah.
You sad?
Yeah, we're all sad.
We're all sad.
But
We've had a good time.
it's been very good.
We had an awesome
We'll have
time.
to get onto this cool air train.
Says air train there. So yeah, this is probably the end. So bye guys. Bye. Say bye everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Hamers. Bye. 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 Bye.